Vivo is all set to launch another new smartphone under its S series. The upcoming device is going to be called the Vivo S21 Pro, and if leaks are to be believed, this is going to be the best smartphone in the $500 budget segment. If you're planning to buy this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're diving deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date of the Vivo S21 Pro. So let's start. Features of Vivo S21 Pro. Display. Vivo is packing a 6.67-inch quad-curved Super AMOLED display, with a sharp 1260x2800 pixel resolution, and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Not just that, this screen also boasts a peak brightness of 2500 nits, and 2160 Hz PWM dimming, for eye comfort. Plus, you're getting an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. The Vivo S21 Pro comes with a triple camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 Plus primary sensor, with OIS. Alongside it, there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto portrait lens, for pro-level zoom. And for selfie lovers, a 50-megapixel front camera with autofocus, because blurry selfies are so last year. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with an Adreno 730 GPU, expect flagship-level performance. And for software, it might just run Android 16 straight out of the box. Battery and charging. Fueling this powerhouse is a massive 6000 mAh battery, supported by 90-watt fast charging, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Oh, and it's got a Type-C 3.2 charging port for faster data transfers too. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? While there's no official confirmation yet, judging by its premium specs, we expect it to be priced around $550. As for the launch date, Vivo could unveil it any day now.